Hey there, good afternoon. I'm Trey Serna. It is Monday, August 25th. Well, our Campus Close-Up series is taking us to Wesley Elementary this week, a school that made impressive progress in the 2025 accountability ratings, jumping from a D to a B. Now, be sure to keep it here all week. I spoke with teachers, parents, and even some students who shared what makes their school so special and how they're aiming to get an A this year. That's something Principal Nash and I talked about during our video call. Now, she credits their success to a strong sense of community and the dedication of her hardworking teachers and students.
We know that our students will rise to the occasion when they are challenged and when they are taught on grade level, no matter where they are. They truly rose to that occasion and showed that they can do the work. So my message to parents is believe in your child because they can do it. We know that they can do it. We believe in them. We want you in turn to believe in them, and we work together as partners to ensure that they are getting what they need here at home and at school. So
you can watch my full interview with Principal Nash. It's up on our YouTube channel right now. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss all the incredible stories coming to you this week from Wesley. Also, while you're on the channel, check out the stories we did last week on Pin Oak Middle School. We put all those stories in this easy to find playlist. We've also got an exciting update on a story that we first brought you last school year from River Oaks Elementary. It was part of our Campus Close-Up series. Now, 3 fourth graders set out to make school lunch trays more eco-friendly. What started as an idea at their school quickly gained traction, making its way to Superintendent Mike Miles and other district leaders. And they got the green light to move forward with a pilot program. Up on the channel right now is an update on how that pilot program is going over at River Oaks Elementary and at Hogg Middle School. You can check out the story right now on our YouTube channel. Well, the new school year means new matchups. It's week 1 for HISD volleyball and football. And the ladies took to the courts Friday night for their first inter-district matchup of the season. Catch those scores on the HISD Athletics social media pages. And football kicks off this Thursday. Find the full schedule on our website under athletics. More sports news from earlier this month. In case you missed it, our 2025 state champs, the Lamar boys track team, finally got their championship rings. The team had their ring ceremony after winning the 4x400 meter relay back at state. The boys also broke the state record last season. Now to some important reminders for our families. Today is the deadline to submit a GT testing request. If you're interested in having your child tested for gifted and talented, find the link on our website or on our Instagram or Facebook pages, or just scan that QR code on your screen. And listed right now on your screen, several HISD campuses that are hosting vaccine clinics this week. All clinics are from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. Spots are limited, so get there early if you can. Now, if you have any questions, you can also call this number at 713-556-1890. And parents and families, whether you're new to HISD, coming back, or transferring within the district, every family needs to complete the annual student information update. You'll find the link right on our homepage at houstonisd.org. This quick and easy online form lets you update your contact details, health and medical information, and all those back-to-school consent forms all in one place. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. As always, thanks for watching and connecting with us for all the latest district news. We'll see you back right here tomorrow.